Hey guys, welcome to the video. In this video, I will talk about the GoHighLevel workflow action that gives people access to your course really. So in this video, we're just going to talk about that action and how it works and not the overall funnel and how you can set it up, because I have covered it in the past. I will cover it in the future as well. But in this video, I just want to talk specifically about that GoHighLevel workflow action called grant course access. So let's go ahead and start looking into the use case here. So the use case is I have one of the funnels here, and I have an order form in this funnel where people can go to this page and then fill out their details, add their payment info, and purchase something from me. So let's say I'm selling my course through this page, and if I go to products, I can add my product here. I think it's already added. So let's say I'm just adding a product called How to Create an Online Business. That's my course. So I'm selling it here through this funnel. And let me just remove the other product from here. So once they go to this page, they see this product, which is worth £97, and they buy it from me. And now what I want to happen is when they buy it from me, I want to give them access to that course automatically. So let's say I have it created here under memberships, under courses, products. This is the course here, How to Grow Your Business. And then what you need to do is you need to create the course first here. And then obviously there are, tutorials on my channel on how to create courses and how the membership area works and all that. So if you want to learn that, go ahead and do that first. And then once you are done with that course, once you've created that course or product in here, you need to create an offer as well. So I have created an offer, and then I have made that course a part of this offer, because you need to give them access to the offer. You can't give them access to a course in GoHighLevel. You need to make that course a part of an offer and then give them access to the offer. So basically they get access to the offer and the course. So let's go to automation now. Let's see how to do that, how to connect the funnel with this course so people can automatically get access on purchase. So let's create a new workflow. The workflow will be called grant course access. So so my trigger will be order form submission. And here I'll check in funnel. Which funnel is it? So it's in my funnel, and it will go to page order form, and then it will go to product. The product will be How to Create an Online Business. Just the product that I added to this page, as you saw in this video. So I'll save it, and now I'll just use this action called grant offer. So this is the action, and then the only offer we have in this account is How to Grow Your Business, the one that I just showed you. So once that happens, nothing to do here, nothing else to be done here. So you just go back, go to memberships, go to settings, and then here you need to go to email settings, and then you need to make sure that send a welcome email and offer access email. So these are on, because you need to be able to send them the login details. What will happen is once that workflow executes for someone, the system will basically send them access to the course or the offer, right? And then if you have it on, the system takes care of everything, creates the access, passwords, and all that stuff, and sends it to them. And then everything happens automatically. You don't have to do anything. One thing you need to make sure is you need to go to client portal and then go to dashboard. Sorry, you need to go to settings and then go to domain setup, and make sure a domain is connected here, a subdomain is connected. Otherwise it's going to look really weird when you are sending people to this weird looking page with all these numbers and stuff, and it looks really spammy. So people may not believe that this is a legit thing. So make sure you have your subdomain set up before you create that workflow and that automation to send people access to that offer. So that's how this GoHighLevel workflow action works. And yeah, subscribe for more updates on GoHighLevel. I will see you in the next one.